Baking soda, a versatile ingredient, transcends its culinary applications and science fair volcano eruptions. But what if I told you that within that humble box of baking soda lies a secret world of extraordinary benefits, a versatile elixir that extends far beyond the confines of your recipe book? Today, we're unlocking the mystery of baking soda, revealing its hidden powers that can transform your daily life in ways you never imagined. From soothing insect bites to potentially aiding in the treatment of health conditions, this unassuming kitchen companion holds the key to a realm of natural remedies and household wizardry. We unravel the enigma of baking soda and discover why it's more than just a leavening agent. It's a powerhouse waiting to be unleashed. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Number 1. Teeth whitening and breath freshening in oral care. Firstly, let's talk about teeth whitening. Baking soda's natural abrasive properties make it an excellent agent for gentle yet effective teeth cleaning. When you use it as part of your regular brushing routine, it helps scrub away surface stains on your teeth. A noticeably brighter smile without the harshness that some commercial whitening products may bring. It's like a mini spa day for your teeth, revealing their natural shine. Now, on to breath freshening. Baking soda has the incredible ability to neutralize odors, and this extends to your mouth. The alkaline nature of baking soda creates an environment that hinders the growth of odor, causing bacteria. By using it in your oral care routine, you're not just masking bad breath, you're addressing its root cause. It's like having a breath mint that not only freshens up your mouth, but also works behind the scenes to maintain that freshness throughout the day. Here's a pro tip. You can create a simple yet effective homemade toothpaste by mixing baking soda with a bit of water to form a paste. Brushing with this mixture provides a thorough clean, tackles stains, and leaves your breath feeling remarkably fresh. Number 2. An all-natural body scrub for radiant skin. The beauty of baking soda extends beyond the kitchen, and one surprising yet effective application lies in crafting an all-natural body scrub for achieving radiant skin. When mixed with water to form a paste, baking soda transforms into a gentle exfoliant with just the right amount of abrasiveness. This property allows it to slough off dead skin cells, unclog pores, and unveil the fresh, radiant skin beneath. What's remarkable is its versatility, suitable for various skin types, including sensitive skin that may be wary of harsher exfoliants. As you massage the baking soda paste onto your skin, it works to buff away impurities, leaving your skin feeling smoother and looking revitalized. The alkaline nature of baking soda also helps balance the skin's H levels, contributing to a healthy and vibrant complexion. Number 3. Odor-free underarms without irritation. Baking soda, with its natural odor neutralizing properties, steps into the spotlight as a gentle alternative to conventional deodorant. When applied to the underarms, it works by absorbing and neutralizing odor, causing bacteria, effectively keeping unpleasant smells at bay. Unlike some commercial deodorants that may contain harsh chemicals or irritants, baking soda offers a milder, more natural solution. Its alkaline nature helps create an environment that is less conducive to the growth of odor, producing bacteria, addressing the root cause of underarm odor. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with sensitive skin, as baking soda tends to be gentler, minimizing the risk of irritation. To harness this natural deodorizing power, one can create a simple paste by mixing baking soda with water to form a smooth consistency. Applying this paste to clean, dry underarms allows the baking soda to work its magic, providing a fresh feeling throughout the day. It's important to note that moderation is key, as excessive use of baking soda can potentially lead to dryness. Experimenting with the ratio of baking soda to water can help find the right balance for individual skin types. Number 4. Soothing insect bites with a baking soda paste. When mixed into a paste with water, baking soda works wonders in alleviating the irritation caused by insect bites. The alkaline nature of baking soda helps neutralize the acidic compounds present in insect venom, providing instant relief. Applying this homemade paste onto the affected area creates a soothing sensation, calming the itchiness and reducing inflammation. What's fascinating is the science behind it. Baking soda's alkalinity not only counteracts the acidity of insect bites, but also helps in regulating the skin's pH levels. This dual action contributes to a faster recovery and diminishes the urge to scratch, preventing further skin damage. The application process is straightforward. Simply mix a teaspoon of baking soda with enough water to form a paste, then gently apply it to the bite. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the baking soda to work its magic. Rinse it off and you'll likely notice a significant reduction in itchiness. Moreover, this remedy is not just effective. It's a wallet-friendly and natural alternative to commercial anti-itch cream. It's a go-to solution for those who prefer a DIY approach to common summer bug-related inconveniences. And that's the end of the video. As always, if you have any health concerns, it's essential to seek advice from a professional healthcare provider. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.